Write proper words from the following group of words in the blanks. Water in the waterfall flows from a higher level to the lower level because of dash. Gravitational attraction. In an electric circuit, electrons flow from a point of dash potential to the point of dash potential. Lower, higher. The difference between the electrostatic potential of the positive hand, the negative hand of an electric cell is the dash of the cell. Potential difference. 3 electric cells of potential difference 1.5 volt each have been connected as a battery. The potential difference of the battery will be dash volt 4.5 E. An electric current flowing in a wire creates dash around the wire. Magnetism. A battery is to be formed by joining 3 dry cells, them with connecting wires. So, how will you connect the wires? By drawing a diagram. In an electric circuit, a battery and a bulb are being connected, and the battery consists of 2 cells of equal potential difference. If the bulb is not glowing, then which tests will you perform in order to find out the reason for the bulb not glowing? If you can see the filament of the bulb, check whether it is intact or broken. Check whether the cells are connected in a proper manner or in a wrong way. If they are connected in a wrong way as shown above, the total potential difference will be 2 volt plus in bracket minus 2 volt, plus into minus is minus, that is 2 volt minus 2 volt is equal to 0. Figures for reference. Electric cells having 2 volt potential difference each have been connected in the form of a battery. What will be the total potential difference of the battery in both cases? In figure 1, 2 volt plus 2 volt plus 2 volt is equal to 6 volt. In figure 2, 2 volt plus 2 volt plus 2 volt plus 2 volt is equal to 8 volt. Describe the construction, working and usefulness of a dry cell with the help of a diagram. The dry cells are used in hair radio sets, wall clocks and torches. These are available in 3 to 4 sizes. Construction of a dry cell. A lead dry cell contains a whitish metal layer if the outer coating is removed. This is the zinc Zn metal layer. This is the negative terminal of the cell. There is another layer inside. An electrolyte is filled between these 2 layers. The electrolyte contains negatively charged and positively charged ions. These are the carriers of electricity. The electrolyte is a wet pulp of zinc chloride ZnCl2 and ammonium chloride NH4Cl. There is a graphite rod at the center of the cell. This is positive terminal of the cell. A paste of manganese dioxide MnO2 is filled outside the rod. Because of the chemical reactions of all these chemicals, electrical charge is produced on the 2 terminals, graphite rod and zinc layer, and an electric current flows in the circuit. Describe the construction and working of an electric bell with the help of a diagram. A copper wire is wound around an iron piece. This coil acts as an electromagnet. An iron strip along with the striker is fitted near to the electromagnet. A contact screw is in touch with the strip. The current flows in the circuit when screw is in contact with the strip, and hence the coil becomes a magnet and attracts the iron strip towards it. Therefore, the striker hits the gong and the sound is created. However, at the same time, the contact screw loses the contact with the strip and the current in the circuit stops. In this situation, The electromagnet loses its magnetism and the iron strip moves back and comes in contact with the contact screw. The electric current is then immediately restored and again the striker hits the gong by the above process. This action repeats itself and the bell rings. Can you recall which constituents are present in an atom? An atom is the smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that has the properties of a chemical element. The constituents of the atom are protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons and neutrons, nucleons, are found in the nucleus of atoms. The nucleus of an atom is surrounded by empty space in which there are electrons. Use your brain power. You must have seen the car battery available in the market. It is called a battery and not a cell. Why? In a car battery, a number of cells are connected in series to obtain more potential difference. Here, two identical cells are connected in parallel. The potential difference between A and B is 2 volt. This arrangement can be used for a longer time compared to a single cell. Series and parallel arrangement for higher potential difference and longer life. Here the potential difference between A and B is 8 volt.